Hey guys, it's Riley's LPS here, and today I'm going to be opening this farm set 5-pack. So let's get opening. Okay, here's everything out of the box, and well, let's just say I broke the one of the accessories. It's okay. Here's everything out of the box, and here's all the 5 pets together. Let me just get all these pets getting closer so you can see them. So anyway, here's this little goat. I kind of like him. I like her. It could be like girl or boy kind of goat thing. It's pretty good looking kind of thing. And here's the little goat. I do like the colors. This goat, this donkey, came with the blind bags, if you know what I mean, like and there's like G2 or I don't know what gender that is, but it came with like the blind bags, you know what I mean, like, I remember this blind bag stuff, so. I never had this rooster before, and it's pretty good. I mean, like, come on. I mean, look at this bad boy. I mean, girl, I don't know. It could be a girl or boy. I kind of like this rooster. This is my very first, rooster as a mold, like that. Anyways, I don't like this ant very much, and the colors and all is just not my favorite, and I'm just gonna customize this kind of ant thing, because, you know, I don't like it. So, yeah. Anyways, this Pomeranian, I did like it, Pomeranian kind of dog thing. It's pretty good. He is kind of a little chocolatey color. I do like chocolate. Anyway. And I got these apples, red apples and accessories. Then I got this milk. It could look like a goat milk or a cow milk, but let's just say like a goat milk kind of thing. So it's pretty good. I got this little bone. It's pretty good looking. It's pretty good. So, and here is the bucket. It came out apart. Like, you know, broke thingy. So I accidentally broke it. So here's the bucket. And here's little carrots. And I like carrots, so yeah. And I guess that's it. Oh, and here's the little hair barrel thing. I forgot the hair barrel, sorry. So I got this hay barrel thing, so it's pretty good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please like and subscribe if you like for more unboxing videos. So please like and subscribe if you like for more, and I'll see you guys in next video. Bye.